This 2024 Nexus Triumph 29T is a Class C RV. It is located in Port Charlotte, FL 33980 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Nexus is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab. This 2024 Nexus Triumph 29T is built on a E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.